Hi friends, when you're making your Earth Day drawings today, you're going to start with your pencil and make a very large heart in the center of your white paper, almost touching the top and the bottom. Then we're going to use our watercolor paints, and we're using liquid watercolor today, so you don't have to add any water to it. We're using mostly blues, greens, bluish greens, and maybe even a little bit of yellow for our Earth Day drawing today. Let's start with our green, and we're going to dip our watercolor brush in our green, and we're going to make some areas of green and paint them in. These are going to be the different countries on Earth. Sometimes when you look at the Earth, you can also see a little bit of yellow on some of the countries. Some of the countries have some very dry, deserty areas. And so I'm going to put a little bit of yellow on the edges of some of the green. I think I'll add a little bit more green up here as well. Maybe a little bit here for like an island country. Maybe that's Australia. Okay, now wash all that green away, and let's use our blue to paint around the green. I'm going to use my bluish purple to make some areas a little bit more darkish blue. Okay, I'm done painting my Earth. Now it's time to make some patterns around the Earth, just like the artist that we saw. So I'm gonna grab a brush that looks like this. It has a flat square top. So when I'm making my patterns around my Earth, I'm gonna go like this. I can use any colors I like. And I'm gonna press little lines around the Earth. If I get to this top part and I can't go, then I would just overlap a little bit, stop and hop. Just little tiny dashed lines with my paintbrush. And if I run out of paint, I have to dip my brush in my watercolor again. When I finish one line, I can switch colors by washing my paint away and choose a new color. Okay, I finished all my patterns. I went from the heart all the way out to the edges, and I am finished.